Good morning mga friendship! From the last episode, nag-ikot tayo sa Binondo para mag-food crawl at inisa-isa natin ang mga viral na pagkain dito. So wala na si Holland dito. They moved into a new location. But for today's vlog, we are on a mission for some of the best dim sum in town. And that means, yes, you guessed it right, lining up for a table at the famous Ying Ying Tea House. This is it. This place is a crowd favorite, and judging by the long queue, we know we're in for something special. As soon as we arrived, ang haba na ng pila sa labas. Some were already chatting over hot tea. Yung iba naman, eagerly scanning the menu, probably planning their orders ahead. So kami rin. But we didn't mind the wait, pero lalo lang talagang nakaka-excite.
Nakasunod, hindi na tayo natawag eh.
Pang 20 tayo. Time check 11 o'clock and nasa number 20 tayo. Pero marami naman ang na-crossed out. So, yung iba naman din take out lang. Pero antayin natin matawag yung pangalan natin. So, ito yung current situation. So, guys, let's get loud. Finally, after what felt like forever, we got in. The aroma of freshly steamed siomai and pork buns filled the air, making us even hungrier. Dalawa po. Let's get loud. So tinawag na tayo sa waiting area daw si Jennifer Lopez.
You are two person. Two person tao. Pinakit na.
Okay na po. Thank you. Mayroon na kayo mga kapan? Wala pa. Wala boy, wala na. Saan?
Padulo tayo.
Okay, so we're going to order pork shrimp siomai, hakaw, shalong bao. For the rice, for the mommy, we're going to get one beef brisket mommy. At saka for rice meal, kuha tayo ng lechon kawali rice meal. Shalong bao, hakaw, siomai. Chicken na po naman.
Yun! So we got lechon kawali rice. I think this is the shalong bao. There's the siomai. And this is the hakaw. The beef brisket na sana sobrang tender. This is how you eat shawarma. Kailangan natin sip-sipin ng soup. Walang soup. Pero malasa parang shawarma pero walang soup. Ang sarap. Ano walang soup? Malasa. Okay, bus tayo. First stop pa lang.
Isang restaurant.
Dahil pa rin tao.
Apat na kusina na.
Oo, mayroon na mga tatapos. Antay lang.
So time check 12:42 at marami pa ring nakapila sa hingin. So anong masasabi natin? Ang best talaga sa kanila yung mga dim sum. So yung order nating hakaw, pork siomai at saka xiaolongbao. Super duper okay. Yung beef brisket noodles, so lang, masarap naman pero hindi yun yung ina-expect natin. See you sa mga susunod na vlog. My name is JLo and this is another food episode for JLo Fight. Tara, kape tayo!